All right, Trendy John here from Simpler Trading. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla, TSLA. First, we do have earnings coming up this week. It is on the 24th after Market Central. Again, this is what TOS is showing as of right now. You can see that I have an order on here, and I put this on while I was away on vacation, and it was to buy 5 Tesla, 15 March 24. So buying some time here. And this was in hopes that we would actually drop below 195. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that order off. Okay, and let's go ahead and get started here. Look at the analysis, and I'll tell you what I'm looking at. First of all, I'm expecting range with this earnings to come in somewhere between 245 and all the way down into the 193 level. Now, again, this is just an expected range, and I do have levels outside of that. I would expect a relief bounce in here. So tomorrow morning, if we can come in just a little bit more, not take out this low, I'll be looking at buying some equity just for like a fun intraday type of trade, looking to see if we could push that back up towards 216.75, and anything above that would be a bonus. Now, far as earnings though, again, why I picked these two levels. One, this is a demand zone. We are in basically about the middle of the demand zone. And even if it wasn't earnings, I would expect buyers to come in here. And you can see we got a little bit of a relief rally, not quite a sustained rally. We would have to move over at least 38.2% of this drop for me to even start to get interested. So something like this, that 38.2 comes in at around 230. And again, the trend's not even changed unless we can get above 242. And if we get above 242, you're just running yourself into a little bit of supply up there. So we're really locked in. And that brings me to my next, idea. If for some reason we have very bad earnings, the outlook looks poor, I do think that Tesla could come into at or around 178 all the way into around 160. And then you could see this huge igniter candle, or it's got a high volume on it. We would find demand right in this region. And lo and behold, if we were to get back to these lows, I am definitely buying for the long term. This is what I would call a hopium trade for myself. I would hope that Tesla could drop this far down so that I could get the opportunity to take it, but I'm not expecting this into earnings. Again, I would expect a balance no matter what in this level right here. Okay. Even if earnings is bad, I expect a balance. But the key question is whether or not it can get over the 38.2%. So what I mean by that, if you take 38.2%, you just were to measure it from here, again, it's around 229. Let's say that price drops into earnings outlook, and let's just say that it comes down to my bottom line and it bounces from there. Again, it is not sustainable if it cannot at least get above. Now the 38.2 here is 221. Now, again, obviously, if something bullish comes in and we get over this cloud, I would expect price to push and continue to push until it can get close to 245 between 265. So we do have some nice divergence between price and the EMA cloud. The way that I will approach this is using my trendy methodology into earnings, and that is identifying these zones using debit spreads, call and put debit spreads to pay for and finance one of these sides. And again, if you've never seen me do that, I have quite a few videos out there on YouTube, or you can just hang out with me in the room for $7 for 7 days, and you guys will see me put this trade on for this week. I can't wait to teach you. I hope these levels have helped you. And again, if for some reason the bulls come back, we could see upwards around 275 to 300. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.